Alright guys, last time you guys saw the Supra, we were talking about getting the big turbo on it, I think. And I want to show you, look at the cat prints, lovely cats. I want to show you the finished product of this. Ignore the car, she's kind of messy right now. But, again, this is a big Greddy T4 78mm turbo. And you wouldn't believe this, but I got it to fit like factory enough. So if you guys look, it is hiding just underneath that. Put my keys down. Look at this. Oh, Greddy. It gets kind of blurry when I do that, but yeah. Anyways, still on factory intercooler piping. Had the mass airflow. Was able to retain the power steering reservoir, but I just kind of took the bracket off, moved it forward. And apart from the wideband, yeah, she's all stock, you know. Yeah, still gotta get this off. That looks really, really bad. But welcome back to the channel. Let's go for a ride and let's see how laggy it is, or how good it is, or how bad it is. I also got these coming in the mail. So let's go for a ride. No, see this guy right here? This is Levi. His G35's over there. I'll show you guys that in a minute. But he won't tell me what color he's going to paint it. Hey, what color are you painting that G35? He says it's going purple. I guess we'll figure it out here in a little bit. Oh, it says Supra. Woohoo! See, that's going to turn on. I got a fuse issue. It doesn't like to make connection for the radio and wideband all the time. Fired right up. Oil pressure's coming up, looks great. Full tank of gas. I have a broken coolant temp sensor, or the coolant level sensor, so that light's always on. It's a little rainy too. If anyone's curious, the power acoustic I got from Walmart fits in the thing perfect with the factory radio brackets, and you do not need any kind of trim. It fits that hole absolutely perfect. It does have a external wastegate. It's like Godspeed, like 40mm open down pipe. Alright guys, you can hear the exhaust leak. It comes ticking through. Shaky. I'm trying to do this by myself. I have no way to hold the cell phone. Alright. Every Supra owner loves these. Ready? Ready, ready? Phone died. Alright, here we go. Second gear roll on. Sounds good, and it's not really as laggy as I thought it'd be. It will open the gate in first, but it doesn't feel really any different than the CT as far as like how it comes on and you know, performs. Let's see here. Steering wheel. For a 7M, you know, if the wideband was working, which right now it decides not to, it just stays pig rich. It really needs a aftermarket computer and a good tune. Man, this car is a lot of fun to drive now. I have raced several things. I've raced 335i Frank's car, and I beat it barely. Raced Levi's G35. If I got some footage, I'll add it in here, but I don't know if anything was recorded. Magnum. Outrun a Magnum RT 5.7 car, not hard to do. Took the alignments off, guys. Alright. We'll get some outside pulls, hopefully, in the next couple clips. always at a Dollar General. One thing about this thing being untuned is it's not like to idle once it warms up. That gets real low. Of course, it's gonna make me a liar now that I'm filming. Little belt chirping. Oh, the air belt's loose. Can I hear that? Chirpy, chirpy, chirpy. Smooth. The car is still just so smooth. Gotta clean it. A lot of leaves. Got the shift boot as well. It's like third gear. Let's see. Go to the floor. So there you guys have it. That was the acceleration and everything on the Supra. I have this. I have this. See, I put it on. And I said these are in the mail. All this stuff's in the back from where it was painted. So that's how everything pretty much stock other than a T78 and a DNA Motorsports manifold feels like on a 7M. And I love the 7M. It's a good engine. I don't care what anyone else says. I'm not going to put a JZ in this car. I'm not going to put an LS in this car. I'm not going to do a 1UZ. I'm going to try to do something really, really, really unique. So stay tuned and subscribe.